In this video, guys, I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing strategies for complete beginners. These are some of my results. I have been promoting this high-ticket product, Freedom Accelerator, and the challenge. This is a 72-hour challenge for anyone who wants to start an affiliate business from scratch using the 5-second silent method. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video if you want to get access and be part of the family Freedom Accelerator. So if you are here, maybe you know that as an affiliate marketer, we just send traffic to our affiliate links. And if someone buys through our links, we can make a commission. And for this program, this is my affiliate link, but the link that I promote, it's this one, the 72-hour challenge. So let me show you. So that is the landing page. And I click on select, and this is the link that I promote. And if someone put their information in that landing page, I'm going to have here a referral. And I have sent to this company 106 referrals, and I have 50 customers. Now, the way to promote this affiliate marketing product is through a sales funnel. So basically, a funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And we can do that by using ClickFunnels. As you can see, I have here many funnels. This is for the 5-second silent method. This is another funnel that I use, 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate ebook, and I have many more funnels here. And once people click on my opt-in page, for example, I'm going to show you this one. When people click on that page, basically the funnel, what it does is that takes the information, a name and an email, and that information is going to be sent to another software, which is ClickFunnels. And you can see I have here I store here all my contacts, and I use this software for email marketing. But I want to show you a new strategy that it's more easiest than this one, because here you need to build like your own system. For example, this is the opt-in page, and if I click here on edit page, you are going to see the elements of this landing page. It has a title, and that is one of the most important things of this page, because the title is like the first thing that the viewer is going to see. For example, my title here is Free Masterclass, How to Make Money by Creating 5-second Silent Videos. And this opt-in page works really well because it has an average of between 35 and 40% opt-in rate. So that means that from 100 people that see this page, I can collect between 35 or 40 emails. And then when people click on this button, just give me instant access, this pop-up appears, and I can collect the name, the email, and if they want, they can put here their phone number. Now, this is one of the most important things if you want to start with affiliate marketing, because having your own landing page is going to help you build your own email list. And if you have a really good email list, you can monetize it. For example, here in my GetResponse account, I have collected 1,187 emails. And basically, The more emails I collect, the more money I make. And I'm collecting all these contacts and I can promote multiple affiliate products and offers. So when people put their information, I have created email sequences that this software get response is going to send emails automatically to give valuable information, promote my YouTube videos, promote also software like GetResponse, and to promote the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, and I have this email sequence to promote many products. But the one thing that I want to show you in this video is that if you don't want to create this whole system, you have another option to use this software. The name is funnelfreedom.io. So the creator of the 72-hour challenge and Freedom Accelerator is going to launch this software very soon. And the cool thing about this software is that we can promote high ticket products and affiliate offers, and also we can promote this software to have or to build multiple income streams. So the one thing here is that this is funnelfreedom.io is like GetResponse and ClickFunnels combined. So check this out. If I click here on affiliate link settings, in this page, I just need to copy and paste now. So this is sites. If I click on the Funnel Freedom tab and click on affiliate link settings, I just need to copy and paste my affiliate links for the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, direct checkout, for the webinar, the affiliate link for funnelfreedom.io, Secret of Success, which is a training about mindset, System.io, this is a software to build funnels, which is free to use. Reporters.io is another software. vidIQ is a software for keyword research, for YouTube SEO. Udemy is a software to buy solo ads. And when I click here, update affiliate links, this software is going to have a store, is going to store my affiliate links. And when I start to collect contacts by giving away a free course, and this is the Funnel Freedom Ascension, mapping your 9 to 5 executive strategy. And when people visit this opt-in page and they start to put their information, this software is going to send emails automatically to promote all those products that I just showed it to you. And if I go to marketing and click on templates, here we're going to find all the emails. So instead of building by yourself this email sequence to promote multiple products, for example, inside of this email sequence, Freedom Accelerator, I have 107 people in progress. And if I click here, you're going to see that I have put here many emails. And these emails are to promote products, to promote software, to promote my YouTube videos, to grow my channel, and also I have free trainings. So instead of building like your own emails, you can use this strategy inside of this software funnelfreedom.io to promote all of those products. For example, these are all the emails This is a video storytelling tips from zero to online business hero supporting offer. So with this email supporting offer number 4, this is to promote the funnel freedom.io software. And so this software has these emails just ready to be sent. The only thing we need to do here is to update our affiliate links and start sending traffic to the opt-in page. And we're going to give a free course in exchange for the email. So check this out. So hey, and here is going to appear the name of the contact. And if people click here to try it out, or click here to get started today, people will be clicking my affiliate link. And this is another strategy that you can use to build your affiliate marketing business. This software is like this is a marketing software, like an all-in-one tool. You can build your funnels, you can send emails, you can book appointments, you can have here your calendars, the conversations. Also, if I click on sites, you can use it for your blogs, for your WordPress site, and you can see that it has all of these features. But the one thing that's very interesting, it's this one. How are we going to, the way that we are going to utilize this software to promote all of these products. So Jonathan is going to launch this software very soon, and I'm testing it to see how it works. If you want to get access to the wait list to access this software, you can click the links in the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.